beautiful people, and welcome to my channel. It's your girl Arcande, and today I'm back with another video, and I'm basically going to show you guys my updated foundation routine because I haven't been on YouTube in years, literally. But I'm back and we're better, and make sure to hit that subscribe button. So let's just get right into it. So to start, I'm going to use this clear pore toner from Neutrogena in order to clean any surface level impurities that I have on my skin. And guys, skincare before makeup so important because you won't know how much dirt you have until you actually clean it. So y'all just look, I was literally coming fresh from the shower, but I had so much dirt. Next, we're going to use this Glow Formula Hydrator from Kiehl's, and it just gives my skin this dewy, glowy finish underneath my foundation. And I applied it with a clean makeup brush because we don't do dirty brushes over here. Using dirty brushes for makeup, that's just nasty. I'm sorry, but that's nasty. So clean brushes, okay? Clean brushes. Next, I'm using this Olay Complete moisturizer that contains SPF. Having a moisturizer that contains SPF is so important because it protects your skin from the damage that sun rays might actually cause to your skin. So be it underneath your makeup or just like your regular skincare routine, incorporate a moisturizer with SPF. It's really a game changer. So after moisturizing my face, I actually applied a primer, but I am sorry because my camera didn't record me applying it. I don't know, but this is the primer that I use, and it basically just reduces the appearance of my pore. And then next I apply my powder from Fenty Beauty, and it's in the shade Hazelnut. And what this does, it just mattifies my whole face and makes the application of foundation much more easier, especially if you have oily skin. And then to just set all what I just did, I just spray this mist from ColourPop. So instead of using my orange concealer, today I used my Radiant Creamy Concealer from NARS. And this is like one shade lighter than me, literally one shade lighter than my skin tone. And I applied it on the areas where I usually have dark spots and hyperpigmentation. So it's under my eyes, on my forehead, by the side of my cheeks, and also on the top of my mouth, because that's where it usually kind of gets like dark. And I'm blending it with a beauty blender. Next, I am using my Holy Grail foundation, which is the Huda Beauty Full Filter Foundation. Like, if you know me, this is literally the only foundation I've been using for like 2 or 3 years straight. Like, I had to restock because the one that I had in 2018 was done. 2017, I don't even remember when I first started using this, but I've been using this every time. So first, blend it with a beauty blender, and then next go in with a clean brush just to make sure that the foundation is well blended all over your skin. So to highlight my face, I am first going to use this Maybelline concealer in the shade Cafe that I am going to apply under my eyes, on my chin, on the bridge of my nose, and a little bit on my forehead too. So when you apply concealer like this, you don't want to blend it right away. Just let it air dry a little bit for like 2 minutes or so, and then you could blend it with a beauty blender, just increase the coverage. So you're not going to use that side of the beauty blender, you're going to use this side. The other side is to blend the foundation, and this side is to blend the concealer. Okay, so tap that in and just blend. Hashtag blending is my cardio because I literally do not work out. Like, sometimes, but no, not like that. But yep, just blend that into your skin, on your forehead. Make sure everything is well blended. And this is why I recently started loving to use beauty blenders, because it just makes everything just so seamlessly blended. So this is the second concealer that I use in order to highlight under my eyes only, because I love the second concealer effect that it has. So I'm just gonna put that under my eyes, and I'm gonna use the excess to kind of give my face like that structured contour look. So I didn't put any more concealer, just the same that I had already on the beauty blender. Next, to contour my face, I am using the Espresso contour stick from Fenty Beauty, and this too, I've been had it for like 3 years, and I still have some more. Like, I actually need to buy some, but yeah, this is the type of brush that I use to blend it upward okay, on my cheekbone, blending it upward. And on my forehead, you're just like, just spreading it all around your face to just give your face that structured look. And to blend the contour on my nose, I'm actually going to use the smaller version of the brush that I used earlier. And I'm just going to blend it carefully to, like, just mold and structure my nose how I want it to look like. Not that I don't like my natural nose that God gave me. I love it, absolutely. But I'm not putting all this makeup to literally just look the same again. So, we gotta look different. We gotta look snatched, okay? So next step is to apply powder all over your face, especially if you have oily skin. You will want to do this step. Like literally, when you do this, your makeup will not shake. You could be dancing, sweating, doing whatever. Your makeup will stay in place because all the moisture is controlled by the powder. Next, moving on to the eyes. In order to prime it, I am going to use the Maybelline concealer that I used earlier. So I'm going to use this Midnight Masquerade palette from Colourpop Cosmetics, and I will start with this dark brown shadow. And before applying your shadows, guys, I actually forgot, but I did this step. Before applying your shadows, when you do your foundation first, you want to put powder underneath your eyes. So any excess shadow that falls, the powder is actually going to, like, catch that excess. So So after doing my eyeshadows, I am actually going to apply my lashes. These lashes are from AliExpress. I don't really like them no more like that because it don't give me that little cute wispy effect that I love. But I'm using my clear lash glue from Duo that I am going to link down below, and everything that I use is going to be in the description box in case you want to get it. So prior to applying the lashes, I actually put some mascara in order to make it easier. So basically just put the lash glue on your lash line, some on the lashes, and then maximum is 30 seconds. Like literally it's so easy. So after this, I'm putting my setting powder. Some of you guys are actually gonna think I actually put so much powder, but this is honestly the necessary amount because I have oily skin. I keep precising. For dry skin, this isn't for you. Like, this isn't the video for you. Don't put this much powder because you're just going to make your skin even more dry. Okay, so bronzer. I use this bronzer from Fenty Beauty. It's in the shade Cocoa Naughty. Naughty. Is that how you say? I'm so bad at pronouncing things, guys, but you guys could see me using a smaller brush to apply it on my nose and then around my face and on my cheek, under my cheekbone as well. So for blush, I'm actually using this Master Blush palette from Maybelline New York, and I'm not only applying it on my cheeks, but I'm also going to apply it on my nose as well because I just love, this little pink blushy nose that it gives me. And I'm going to use the pink shadow that I used earlier and just put it under my eye. And to me, I just feel like it's just incomplete if I don't do like, put like one shadow under my eye. But to each one it's preference. Do how you like. This is just how I love my makeup to look. It actually sounded better in French. À chacun ses préférences. Okay? So this is basically the end of the tutorial, honestly. I didn't do much after this. Yeah. This is basically the end, guys, and thank you so much for watching. I couldn't record how I did my lips, but thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you will be notified whenever I post a video. Goodbye. Fine like a motola. She get the money like a $10. She want get the motola. She know they find anybody we go control.